Thank you for visiting. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Snooker, loopy, nuts are we, me and him and them and me. We'll show you what we can do with a load of balls and a snooker cue. Pop the reds then, screw back for the yellow, green, brown, blue, pink and black. Snooker, loopy, nuts are we, we're all snooker, loopy. Now on me young, we all know's got loads of dapper suits. London bred and he keeps his head though he's got Italian roots. Emotional and he keeps his cool till he reaches the finals. Then whether he wins or whether he don't, always pipe me eyeballs. But our friend then, how's he spend down the snooker hall? On the old green baize, mates in a maze with the skills with a snooker pool. But them long shots he never ever got. Why the old mind boggles? But nowadays he costs a lot, cause I wear these goggles. Snooker, loopy, nuts are we, me and him and them and me. We'll show you what we can do with a load of balls and a snooker cue. Pop the reds then, screw back for the yellow, green, brown, blue, pink and black. Snooker, loopy, nuts are we, we're all snooker, loopy. Was born in a gap in the valleys of the land of song. And as the Red Sea puts to bed, he likes to sing along. If I win, he says with a grin, you can only help me gone. If I'll celebrate, I buy another 8 hairbrushes for me bonnet. But old Willie Fool, his hair's all gone and his mates all take the rise. His opponent said cover up his head, cause he's shining in my eyes. When the light shines down on his bare crown, it's a certainty he's gonna walk it. It's just not fair giving off that glare, perhaps I ought to chalk it. Snooker, loopy, nuts are we, me and him and them and me. We'll show you what we can do with a load of balls and a snooker cue. Pop the reds then, screw back for the yellow, green, brown, blue, pink and black. Snooker, loopy, nuts are we, we're all snooker, loopy. Last year, come very near to winning the snooker crown, but he never got to put it on his team.
Right, this is the finished print. The red collar was printed earlier. That slides over the top like that, and it kind of compression squeezes onto the cue. So I'll show you what it's supposed to do, even though I can't fully do it yet because I need to put a new tip on, but that'll be another video. Alright, so what you do is you're supposed to fit your new tip on there. Obviously do your trimming and everything, glue it on, and you slide this over. It's got a dimple in the middle, so it should centralise the tip. I've still yet to test it, but like I say, that'll be another video. So you press down until you can see little beads of glue that come out of the sides of the tip, and then slide this collar down, and that looks nice and straight. So let's see how that works out when I come to changing the tip. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.